And right before that important meeting, which is widely being seen as an attempt by the Congress High Command to make the peace between Sachin Pilot and Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Sachin Pilot's first reaction amidst the leadership tussle, the latest chapter in this festering feud in Rajasthan. Pilot says that he is a disciplined congressman and that he will express his views only on a party forum, not in public like what we've just seen happen in Punjab. Remember, Congress central leaders KC Venugopal and Ajay Maken are in Jaipur for a high-level meeting ahead of a Rajasthan cabinet expansion that is likely to take place on July the 28th. It's widely being seen as the Gandhis attempting to end the festering battle between Sachin Pilot and Chief Minister Gehlot.
देखिए, जहाँ तक पार्टी की बातें हैं, पार्टी की चर्चाएं हम लोग पार्टी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर करते हैं और मुझे लगता है अजय माकन जी ने बड़ा विस्तार से आज पीसीसी में अपनी बात को रखा है। मुझे लगता नहीं कि इसके अलावा कोई आवश्यकता है मुझे उस पर कुछ कहने की।
Now it's very interesting how Sachin Pilot says that his grievances and words will be reserved for the internal Congress forum and meeting in which KC Venugopal and Ajay Maken are present tonight. It's also an insinuation perhaps at the very public war of words that has been playing out in Punjab, where Navjot Singh Sidhu has been attacking a sitting chief minister in an uncensored, very public, disrespectful and aggressive manner. He, of course, won great dividends for that and was named the state party chief. Let's go across now to India Today's Devankur Vadhavan live with us. Dev, the feud between Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot, has been peaceful, but it has been festering. We all remember the big spikes in aggression between the two sides that have taken place in the months gone by. Now there is an attempt being made perhaps to make some kind of peace. What do you think, or what are your sources telling you, Dev, that will happen in the meeting today? Okay, I think we have an audio problem with Dev. Let me try and ask that question again. Dev, are Sachin Pilot's grievances likely to be addressed in the meeting that is scheduled this evening by the two emissaries of the Gandhis who have landed in Jaipur?
The two Congress senior functionaries, including KC Venugopal and Ajay Maken, who landed in Jaipur, their brief was cut out. They had to meet those MLAs who were disgruntled, who belong to the Sachin Pilot camp, and they did so. Sachin Pilot was also present during the meeting, which happened at the Pradesh Congress Committee office. But the entire procedureship of cabinet expansion will be a long-drawn one, given the fact that in Rajasthan, unlike in Punjab, the assembly elections are not around the corner. Also, there are several, camps or factions that the Congress High Command or the Congress leadership is trying to keep happy. The Sachin Pilot camp is one of them. The other is that of the 6 BSP MLAs who left BSP to join the Congress. There are also around 13 to 12 independent MLAs who supported the Congress government in Rajasthan during the no confidence motion. So all of these factions have to be taken into account, and that is why there have been hectic deliberations that have been held yesterday night at Ashok Gehlot's official residence and today morning. And these senior functionaries will go back to the party high command, that is Sonia Gandhi, and once the stamp of approval gets from there,
yes,
only then the next step can be taken in that direction.
Okay, thanks very much, Dev. Very interesting developments here. After we saw that big pot boiler playing out in Punjab, could there be an attempt to either preempt or fix the feud that has been brewing between Sachin Pilot and Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot? After Punjab, trouble brewing in Rajasthan for the Congress, or an opportunity to actually mend the things that have happened? The Congress has rushed two top leaders to Jaipur since late last night to avoid a possible repeat of the 2020 rebellion by Sachin Pilot. Now, buzz is rife that this much-awaited cabinet expansion is likely to take place 3 days from now. This comes at a time when impatient Pilot supporters have been staging protests outside the Congress office in Jaipur. Take a look.
Congress infighting escalating in Rajasthan. Protesters from the Sachin Pilot camp flocking to the huddle of party MLAs, with Congress central observers on Sunday rooting for Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot to be replaced by Sachin Pilot.
जब राजस्थान में 21 विधायक बचे थे कांग्रेस के, तब सचिन पायलट जी ने गांव-गांव डाणी-डाणी घूमकर कांग्रेस को मजबूत करने का काम किया था और कांग्रेस को आने वाले टाइम में वापस अगर कांग्रेस की सरकार रिपीट कर सकते हैं तो सचिन पायलट जी कर सकते हैं।
हम सभी कार्यकर्ता अपनी भावनाएं, जनता की भावनाएं ये व्यक्त कर रहे हैं कि राजस्थान की जनता सचिन पायलट साहब को चाहती है।
After Congress gave in to Navjot Singh Sidhu's demand and made him the new Punjab party chief, the Pilot camp looks increasingly assertive. Congress rushed General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and party's Rajasthan unit in charge Ajay Maken to Jaipur to avoid any repeat of 2020, when a sidelined Pilot had revolted. While Pilot at the meet was evasive to the media, Congress is now readying for a possible expansion of the Gehlot cabinet on 28th of this month, which may accommodate Pilot loyalists. Congress MLAs have been told to stay put in Jaipur.
मैं 28 और 29 तारीख को 2 दिन के लिए राजस्थान में मैं फिर खुद आ रहा हूं और हम लोग कांग्रेस विधायकों से मैं यहां पर आकर के एक-एक करके सबसे अलग बात करके जिला और ब्लॉक के बारे में उनसे मंत्रणा करूंगा।
Chief Minister Gehlot and then his deputy Pilot had a big fallout in 2020 over power sharing, which was temporarily resolved after personal involvement of the Gandhis. Sources told India Today that Pilot is upset over his grievances not being addressed for almost a year. He also alleged that the Gandhis have not fulfilled promises made to him in exchange of calling a truce with the Chief Minister. Pilot has also alleged that Gehlot is targeting his supporters and MLAs and that his aides are yet to get positions in the government.
The different MLAs of the Congress before the impending cabinet expansion in Rajasthan, late night discussions have been held with Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Rajasthan Congress Chief Govind Singh Dotasra and K.C. Venugopal and Ajay Maken, and it is now likely that anytime soon, probably by the end of July or in August itself, cabinet expansion can happen in Rajasthan. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
Lots of political movements tonight in Jaipur, the state capital of Rajasthan. With that big meeting is an attempt being made to preempt another eruption by the Sachin Pilot camp. These are the big questions we're asking. After Punjab, are the Gandhis attempting a peace fix in Rajasthan? In this state as well, just like in Punjab, there has been a much longer standing battle between Sachin Pilot and the sitting Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Can the Gandhis mend this festering Rajasthan Gehlot Pilot feud this time? Will Sachin Pilot be happy with just his supporters being adjusted? Does the Punjab power play in some measure mean advantage Sachin Pilot? And does this indicate that the Congress High Command is now reasserting its power and its strength and sending out a message that the High Command is very much in control? But let's also remind you of what's been troubling Sachin Pilot all these months and years. 1, no plum posts for him or his loyalists. 2, the Congress and the Gandhis are yet to deliver on their promises to him, to Sachin Pilot himself. His grievances, which they had promised would be addressed, have been unaddressed for the last 9 months. That's why you have 2 top leaders who've dashed down to Jaipur now. There is a growing restlessness in the Sachin Pilot camp, with his supporters protesting outside the Pradesh Congress Committee office today. Gehlot has been targeting and sidelining Pilot and his loyalists is the biggest grievance so far from Sachin Pilot and his camp. He hasn't been putting these grievances in public. He says he is a disciplined congressman and he will only lay these grievances on the forum of the party itself. I'd like to welcome to our discussion today Rohan Gupta of the Congress Party, Tom Vadakan of the BJP, formerly of the Congress. But I'd like to begin with the non-politician, the observer who's been looking very closely at so much dangal, politically speaking, inside the Congress. Rashid Bhai, thank you for being with us. You know, from Congress, you know, from what's happened in Punjab to this sudden eruption that we are seeing in Rajasthan, where the spotlight appears to have shifted. What do you see happening here? What is being attempted? You've got Ajay Maken and KC Venugopal on the ground in Jaipur in what appears to be a kind of preemptive troubleshooting mission. What are they trying to do, and what are they trying to preempt or achieve, Rashid Bhai?
Thank you, Shiv. Thank you for your kind words. As I see it, the Rajasthan situation is slightly different from Punjab. But the big thing is that there is a kind of power shift within the Congress. That Sonia Gandhi is no longer taking these decisions. Perhaps she's going to travel abroad early next month. So it is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, that combination, which is taking political call, and that's why we are seeing more as a stamp of Priyanka Gandhi. That's suddenly some decisions are being taken. Interestingly, what Mr. Ajay Maken was saying, I think, is very significant. What he's saying is going to be there in next 2 days again in Jaipur, and he's probably going to do some head count of MLAs. Now this is, Shiv, to my mind, this is very, very, significant. Are they looking for a replacement? Are they looking at Mr. Gehlot's strength, and for that matter, Sachin's strength? Sachin Pilot, all along, he may have burned fingers last year, July, August, when he almost revolted. Yeah. But since then, he is playing his cards very deftly. He has made it as if, it's Ashok Gehlot versus Congress High Command. So he has nothing to lose. He's just looking for some kind of justice from Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. Again, in that order, Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. So I think the Congress internal politics has entered into a very decisive and a very interesting phase.
Rohan, would you like to add to that the mission on the ground? Forgive me for using the word missions. We as journalists, as you know, like using these words because we expect some result to come, very, very quickly. But I understand that politics doesn't work according to the headlines of journalists. But Rohan, two big prominent leaders on the ground in Jaipur. Everyone has seen, the very public bad blood that played out. Perhaps there is an effort now to, make some kind of a decision to end this feud once and for all. And like Rashid Bhai says, to assess the strengths of these both camps. Is that an accurate assessment, Rohan?
Shiv, I think I have done maybe around 10 debates only on Punjab. And there were, apprehensions about how we'll resolve and what will be the outcome. And now we can see that Punjab is resolved. And that is what the strength of Congress party is. Unlike BJP, we believe in democratic process, as Mr. Maken clearly told, that he will be talking to each and every MLA, taking their sense. And obviously, the decisions are taken that way. And you have seen Punjab absolutely fine. I think generally Rashid Bhai is not happy, and he's a well-wisher of our party. But today, I think he will also agree with me that Punjab has really been resolved properly, democratically. And same way, Rajasthan also. We see that the democratic process has started, and very shortly you will see a proper resolution even in Rajasthan. And let me tell you, Shiv, I think BJP now should take cue from Congress party, where one of their chief minister is waiting for last 2 to 3 days to hear from their high command that what is going to happen. That doesn't happen the way in Congress. It is a democratic process. And we see Mr. Yedurappa waiting for command from high command, that what he has to do next.
Okay, I don't want to make this a BJP Congress debate like we usually do, but as all of you know, here on India Today, we are covering the Yedurappa story very, very closely. I just anchored a feverish debate at 6 p.m. as well on all this. We've got our reporters outside Mr. Yedurappa's house as well. But Tom Vadakan, bringing you in, not just as a BJP spokesperson, but also with the value you bring to the discussion as someone who's been in the Congress. This feud between, Pilot and Gehlot in Rajasthan, granted, it is quite different from what we saw just playing out in Punjab. I agree with Rashid Bhai on that front. But how do you see this playing out? There is no election that is right around the corner. In that sense, there is no great pressure to resolve it. But after this decisive action in Punjab, even though I don't agree with Rohan, there is an uneasy truce perhaps that has been affected there. What do you think is being attempted now in Rajasthan, and do you think it will be successful?
Shiv, as the national spokesman of the BJP, we do not comment on the issues in the party. But as you have rightly mentioned, that I, as a person who had been with the old horse for some time, I have a closer view of the battle that's going on. Rashid Bhai is absolutely on the mark when he says he knows exactly what he's talking about. Now, Shiv, the point here is the expansion involves 9 positions. The expansion can go up to 30 ministers, out of which 20 are already in existence, and the induction is of 9 ministers. And out of these 9 ministers, there's a competition of 40 MLAs across the board, which includes 6 from the BSP and 12 or 13 as independent. Now, this is statistics. I am not talking about BJP-Congress games. These are very difficult issues to conclude.
Okay.
Makhanji has a very, very tough time ahead. Whatever their high command decides, this is going to be a very, very dangerous shift. Because knowing Gehlot-ji, he's an old player in this game, belonging to the Ahmed Patel team. And there's been compromises, there have been candidates put up. Now the battle is not over till the election time.
Okay.
The battle will begin then. What will be the scoreboard after the election remains to be seen.
Okay.
But this is a very dangerous experiment.
Okay, a dangerous experiment. I just want to pick up on that, Rashid Bhai. With the Gandhi siblings calling more of the shots, like you said in your opening comments. Would it be too much to read that as an advantage Sachin Pilot going forward?
I think, Shiv, there are 2 things. One is, of course, expansion of Council of Ministers in Ashok Gehlot ministry. And whole, tussle is about whether it should be, 2 cabinet ministers and 2 minister of states from Sachin Pilot camp or more. Or Mr. Gehlot wants just 3 ministers to come in. All these things are there. These are procedural wrangling. I don't see great politics in it. But key point here is whether, Congress would want one of them to come and join them in the AICC at the central national level. Who would it be? Conventional wisdom has always been that it's going to be Sachin. What if it's the other way around? What if Mr. Gehlot is, removed on one pretext or other from Rajasthan? That would be really interesting, because I think if Congress has to win next round of election or send this kind of optics that Priyanka, Rahul, they mean to do something, then Sachin is a man. Because you see, after Jyotiraditya and Jitin Prasad exit, there is a lot of kind of, unwritten pressure that, as if the younger lords are not getting their due. And I think for the record, as such, you showed the way Sachin Pilot is speaking, he is not becoming a party to this dispute, though it was all because of him. So I think we are seeing a lot of politics. That's why I'm saying just wait for a week and a lot may happen.
Last 20 seconds, I'll give to you, Rohan. Would you like to add anything to that? Elections not around the corner, but an opportunity for the Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi stamp. Like you've said, in Punjab, there was decisive action by the Gandhis. Here as well, there is an opportunity for that. And it could be advantage Sachin Pilot.
It will be advantage Congress. Let me tell you very frankly, the way Congress is going ahead with all the states now, you see a lot of reshuffle in the states. A lot of states are getting new PCCs. So absolutely, it is going to be advantage Congress. And we have that democratic process where we will hear each and everybody and take the decision. So that is going to be there in each and every state. This is my promise to you.
Okay, not advantage Ashok Gehlot or advantage Sachin Pilot, but advantage Congress. We'll have to see. It's been a longer running feud than the Punjab one. Will there be a decision either way, or will we see it trickle into a decision that will take shape over the next few weeks? No matter what we say, there is no election pressure on this, unlike what we've seen in Punjab. So there's a little more leg room perhaps. But let's never forget that ugliness has definitely, erupted and broken the surface in this particular face-off as well. Thank you very much, Rashid Kudwai, Tom Vadakan and Rohan Gupta for being with me on this brief discussion here on India Today. We're taking a very quick break. Keep watching India Today, indiatoday.in. and the India Today app for all the political and other news updates. Battle Cry on the other side.